Hi, this is Sai Prasad. Welcome to my channel. In the previous video, you were explained the definition of parts of speech as well as on what basis it is divided into. You know, all the English words are divided into 8 parts. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjunction. In this video, you are going to be explained the definition and types of noun. Noun. What is a noun? Noun is a word that is the name of a person, place, thing, animal, or quality. Once again, I am repeating. Noun is a name of a person, name of a place, name of a thing, name of an animal, or name of a quality. Totally 5. First we see name of a person. Rama, Sita, Abdul Kalam, Tagore, John Keats, Wordsworth, boy, girl, mother, father, brother, sister, man, woman, king, queen, master, servant, doctor, actor, collector, teacher, student, clerk, officer, etc. These are the examples of noun. The second one is name of a place. Andhra Pradesh, India, Japan, Singapore, street, college, school, university, continent, world, ground, class, state, room, city, town, field. These are the examples of name of a place. The third one is name of an animal. Dog, horse, cow, elephant, lion, tiger, puppy, snowy, brownie, simmy, Tommy, etc. These are the examples of name of an animal. And the fourth one is name of a thing. Table, chair, book, pen, pencil, tree, flower, plant, water, milk, gold, silver, paper, wood, iron, stone, window, cycle, Natraj pencil, Hero Honda bike. These are the examples of name of a thing. The fifth and the last one is name of a quality. Of course, it is the name of a characteristic or symptom also. Honesty, sincerity, patience, beauty, strength, courage, weakness, knowledge, power, cleverness, poverty, cruelty, kindness, sympathy, wisdom, etc. These are the examples of name of a quality or characteristic or symptom. Do you understand what noun is? Let us see the types of noun. Like the parts of speech, noun is also divided into. Do you know on what basis it is divided into? Let us see. It is based on its being touched or seen. All the nouns are divided into two types. By reading or listening to this, you may get a doubt. Sir, how it is possible? Am I right? It means if you can touch or see or both, it comes under one category. For example, book. It can be seen, it can be touched. So it comes under first category. Pencil. It can be seen, it can be touched. So it also comes under first category. Man can be seen, can be touched. So it comes under first category. Wall. It can be seen, it can be touched. So it comes under first category. The second category. If you cannot touch or see, it comes under second category. For example, pain. It cannot be seen, it cannot be touched, but it can be felt or thought of. So it comes under second category. Honesty. It cannot be seen, it cannot be touched, only it can be felt or thought of. So it comes under second category. Sound. It cannot be seen, it cannot be touched, only it can be felt or thought of. So it comes under second category. Do you understand? Based on this point, noun is divided into two types. They are abstract noun and concrete noun. First we see abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Abstract noun is a word which is name of some state, quality, feeling, or an idea cannot be seen and touched but can be thought of. It means abstract noun is a word, it cannot be seen, it cannot be touched, but only it can be felt or thought of. For example, God. We cannot see, we cannot touch, but we feel. By listening to my words, immediately you may get a doubt. Am I right? Sir, in temples we see God, sir. It is only an idol. The second example, death. We cannot see, we cannot touch, we only feel or think of. Air. It cannot be seen, it cannot be touched, it can be felt or thought of. Honesty. It cannot be seen, it cannot be touched, it can be thought of. Sound. It cannot be seen, it cannot be touched. Patience. It cannot be seen, it cannot be touched, it can be thought of. Wisdom. It cannot be seen, it cannot be touched, it can be thought of. Some of you may think that we have a lot of wisdom. Show me. How much wisdom you have? Show me. What is the height of wisdom? Show me. In which color your wisdom is? Show me or tell me. Pain. We cannot see, we cannot touch, but we feel. Can you touch your pain? What is the height of the pain? What is the color of the pain? Can you measure it? No, you cannot. So pain is an abstract noun. Pity. Generally, some of you may think that we can see pity, we can show pity. Show me. Show me your pity. What is the height of your pity? Can you touch your pity? No, you cannot. So these are the examples of abstract noun. One important note in abstract noun. No article is written before abstract noun. Sir, what are articles, sir? A, an, or the. These three are called as articles. Let us see the examples of this note. See the first example, death is inevitable. Death, it is an abstract noun. So no article is written before the word death. I always pray to God. God, it is an abstract noun. No article is written before the abstract noun, that is God, in this example. Third one, we should worship beauty. In this example, beauty is an abstract noun. No article is written before the word beauty. The fourth one, patience is a virtue. In this example, patience, it is an abstract noun. So no article is written before the word patience. The fifth one, knowledge is divine. In this example, knowledge is an abstract noun. No article is written before the word knowledge. And the sixth one, honesty is the best policy. In this example, honesty is an abstract noun. No article is written before the word honesty. Do you understand up to this? But an exception is there. What is that exception? Article the is written before an abstract noun when the name of a particular person is given. What does it mean? It means when an abstract noun belongs to a particular person, the article is written. Let us see the first example. The honesty of Gandhi is admirable. In this sentence or in this example, honesty, it is an abstract noun. Here, honesty belongs to Gandhi. Here, honesty belongs to a particular person, Gandhi. So, the article is written before the word honesty. Second example. We must worship the beauty of nature. In this example, beauty is an abstract noun. It belongs to a particular thing, nature. So the article is written before the word beauty. Third one, the god of Hindus is Parameshwar. In this example, God is an abstract noun. The word God belongs to Hindus, to a particular community. Here, abstract noun God belongs to a particular community, Hindus. So, the article is written before the word God. The fourth one is the bravery of Bhagat Singh is unforgettable. In this example, bravery is an abstract noun. Here, the abstract noun bravery belongs to a particular person, Bhagat Singh. So, the article is written before the word bravery. The next one is concrete noun. What is concrete noun? Concrete noun is a word that can be seen and touched. Concrete noun is a word that can be seen and touched. For example, teacher, student, ground, class, flower, plant, water, cow, elephant, etc. These are examples of concrete noun. Here, teacher, we can see, we can touch. So, it is a concrete noun. Student, we can see, we can touch. So student is concrete noun. Ground, we can see, we can touch also. So ground is concrete noun. Class, we can see, we can touch. So class is concrete noun. Flower, it can be seen, it can be touched. So it is a concrete noun. I think you understand. Again, concrete noun is divided into four types. One, proper noun. Two, common noun. Three, collective noun. Four, material noun. Let us discuss the types of concrete noun in next video. If you have any doubts, you can mention in comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest updates. If you really feel this information is useful, please press like symbol and share this video.